I thought I wanted to be a rock star when I was 18 years old and spent a couple of years playing music in the bars. It's where I met my wife. I realized after we got married and started a family that I was going to have to get a haircut and get a real job. So I worked for the Columbus Citizen-Journal as a newspaper reporter. I was very focused on justice, doing the right thing. So I was doing that and very content when my newspaper went out of business. But what was the final kicker, I was working for Buck Reinhardt, who was mayor of Columbus, as a junior staffer, a communications guy. And I noticed that when the big decisions always got made, sometimes the bean counters were in the room, sometimes the comms people got to go in the room, sometimes it was operational people, but the one person who was always in the room was the lawyer. And that looked pretty cool to me. So off to law school I went, eventually going into public service, serving as the county prosecuting attorney, and later the state auditor, and here I am today as the Attorney General. You know, this has been the job I've been getting ready for my whole life. My time in the news media deepened an already existing idea that the truth only happens when there's transparency. It's hard to find the truth if you can't find out what the facts are and what's actually going on. I love the law because the law contemplates the idea that we've got to have transparency. Even if there wasn't before a lawsuit happens, we have the discovery process. What is that designed to do? It's designed to find the facts, to get to the truth, so we can either assess the case and settle it or to actually try it. But the common denominator is finding the truth. As Attorney General, this is really important to me, whether we're talking about transactions in the marketplace, whether we're talking about the functions of government, or just how our society operates. Transparency is generally a better rule than secrecy. My whole family's musical. They're all better than I am. My wife's a violist and reads music and does all that symphony stuff. But my 3 children are all musicians, and the grandkids are showing musical inclinations as well. I play guitars and piano, keyboards, and bass guitar in public. Are my answers too long? Nobody's ever accused a lawyer or a politician of saying too little.